Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you mix red, green, and blue light, you get white light. Mixing the colors generates new colors, as shown on the color wheel or circle on the right. This is additive color. As more colors are added, the result becomes lighter, heading towards white.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If the three colors of light can be mixed to produce white, they are called primary colors, and the standard additive primary colors are red, green and blue. Two colors that produce white when added together are called complementary. The color complementary to a primary color is called a secondary color.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Colored substances cannot be mixed together to make white, unless you use a chemical reaction to change the substances. Mixing light-colored light will give you white, e.g., red, green, blue. Mixing pigments, colored pigments, will give you black, e.g., red, yellow, blue.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.